This is Galena. Granted, there's a little bit more going on. There's chalcopyrite and there's also some quartz, but I'm going to focus on the galena. But I'm going to go further than galena and talk about silver, which might seem like a little bit of an abstraction because when you hear galena, you think lead. But that is not the only thing galena was used in order to mine. It was used to mine silver. Now, silver was extracted from galena, which is essentially this shiny grey lead ore, because galena commonly contains small but valuable amounts of silver that's mixed into its structure. So once miners dug out the galena from underground veins, often in places that are rich in both lead and silver, they would crush the ore and then roast it, a heating process that helped drive off sulfur and convert the lead sulfide into lead oxide. Now, the ore was melted in a special porous container called a cupel and exposed to high heat and a strong blast of air. Then the lead would oxidize and was either absorbed into the cupel or vaporized, while the silver, which doesn't react in the same way, was left behind as small metallic beads. This was the most effective way of isolating silver from galena before more modern chemical techniques were ultimately developed. Now, places like ancient Lavrion in Greece and colonial mines in the Americas relied heavily on this process to fuel economies, produce coinage, and supply silver for trade and artistry. So even though galena was technically a lead ore, its real value in many regions came from the silver that's actually tucked away inside.